So the power of offer stacking. Number one, it increases your revenue. So you're going to make more money. If you just have one offer, then you make so much based off that offer. If you stack it properly, and when you stack it, a lot of people are thinking, oh, I'm going to have to make all this stuff. No, that's the interesting thing about this. You can do one thing, you can make something once, and then you can split it apart. One stone knocks down 4 birds. It's not that you're going to be creating a bunch of extra stuff. You're just going to be taking the one thing and you're going to spread it out and you're going to open it up. So it's really awesome in this way, because people are like, well, you said just one offer. Well, in the beginning, let's get one working first, right? Let's get one working first. But this is not making 4 different offers. This isn't making 4 different products or doing 4 different things. This is taking one thing and changing it into 4 different things that can really multiply and increase revenue. And then this is going to expand your client base, because you're going to be hitting people at different thresholds, different payment levels, and it's just going to open up your base. And it's going to also, people will transition from one thing to the next. And then optimize efficiency. So again, I just kind of talked about that in the way where we're going to take one thing and we're going to basically spread it apart and create multiple things that stack the offer and make it more valuable. The first thing is a foundation in building a niche audience. I do want to make very apparent again what I mean by niche audience, because there's a lot of different people out there saying a lot of different things. And although there's things that you can gather from each of those, the core importance here is you're gonna attract people, bar none, simply by your credibility and expertise. What can you do to increase your credibility? Well, I'll give you credit on that. Hey, we should give you credit for that. Show me stuff. Teach me stuff. Explain things to me. Share with me what it is, how it works. Show me this is how this works. You're going to gain credibility. Expertise. Show us it. Demonstrate. How do you do your thing? How does it work? Why does it work this way? Explain it to me. That's how you're going to get that. And this builds the audience, because you're putting that stuff out there. You're creating that content and putting it out there, and that's what creates that. And then you're tailoring offers to different budgets and needs. So again, this is going to also build that audience for you. You're not going to have to go search for the audience per se, right? Because number 3 here is you are the niche, right? So the problem that you solve attracts the people to you. Instead of thinking of like, oh, I help 35 to 45-year-old, women that have this problem, how about just, this is the problem that I solve. This is how I solved this problem because of what I've seen out there, and those people will naturally attract to you. Okay, you're putting out your credibility and expertise is getting built by you putting out content, and you're always talking about the problem that you solve. That's how you build the niche. I tell people all the time, I'm like, hey, you can go to YouTube and pretend that you have the problem that you solve. Search on YouTube like you're trying to solve it, and videos will pop up. Look at the most viewed videos. Go down in the comments. What are those people saying? This is going to help you with your messaging. You're going to regurgitate what they said in the comments and what they say in reviews and what they say on the internet about their problem. You're going to reiterate that to them and say, if that's what you're facing, is this the stuff you're going through? Let me show you how. Okay, let me show you how. Because that's what we do. We get paid when we sell our advice to people, when we sell the answers to the questions and challenges they have. So that's how you're going to build your audience. You're going to do that each day.